So today we're going to take a further look at our FlexiPack system. In this system that we have laid out is our WF20T tape machine for 20 cases a minute, teamed up with our 2-person pack cell. So you have cell 1, cell 2. In this case I have this cell's bypass turned off just for the video purposes. And then into our Bel 250 fully automatic case taper. What we're really looking at a little closer is our PD50 conveyor here, which is one of the forms and one solution for product delivery to the operators. In this case, it works very well with cylinder type materials or bottles, things that can rotate within the framework of the conveyor. It's actually a bi-directional conveyor that keeps the product moving for the operator. So you would bring it in on this end and it would flow around here. I could have an operator here as well picking from the conveyor. We have the ability to control the flow of products through a flow arm here, as well as our stops here that allow the product to puddle as it comes through. Everything is at operator height so that my hands stay below my shoulders and I'm moving down with the product into the conveyor. This is just one concept for product delivery. We also have our rotary tables, and we're also bringing in some other options through conveyance of product as well. So stay tuned for some more of those videos. Thanks.